All right, fam, we're about to get ready to take a 3/8 vertical up weld test with stick rod. He's about to dive in. We're using a 3/32 rod. We got it set on about 90 amps, fam, and we're gonna dive into it. As you see, he's pausing on the east side. You see, that's very critical that you would go to east side wall and tie in. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Even if you got to count it out in your head, fam, it's very critical. Take your time. You see how he's got a nice, good position. He looks like he's good and comfortable, family. And he's getting it in right now. Being comfortable is everything. Get in a good position. And your goal is, normally on that first rod, you're gonna make it probably close to half to the middle of the plate, maybe a hair over the middle, but you don't wanna burn the rod all the way down. So as you see, he made it about there. Let's see what we got. Yep, you made it about right there. So we let that cool down some and we'll dive into it, show y'all what it looked like, and then we'll start on the next pass. There's always a good rule of thumb to at least let that redness go away. Because sometimes, you know, if you knock it off prematurely, what it is, you can let that air get in there real fast and it'll put a pinhole in it. And then you're like, dang, you know what I'm saying? Exactly. Now you feel like, man, I gotta do all this again. So yeah. Knock that one a little bit, yeah. And then you can take that the rod brush, we'll have to knock the rest of it out. Sometimes that slag gets pretty tight up in there, your wire brush. With the, yeah, you got to put some muscle on that one. A little muscle.